Let me explain well on this issue of I want to go home. I want to go home. Help my priest, I want to go home. Help me. I beg. You want to go home. If you don't say this 60 years, no come to my comment section and say you want to go home. If you there 70 years, no come my comment section. No. This going home book and the 40s and the 50 highest 50 years. April stop. It run 60 or 60. 61 to 70 years. If you never see me, you want to go home. Nanketa la chaloyanya. Nala na lapoi. That is no also esusuro yono. If you never see me the 60 years, see me want to go home. Nala na lapoi. 70 years, you want to go home. Can you go ticket? Ala na lapi, me you go ticket. All this while, what are you doing? Ojibona here 60s, kiji money ni want to go home. 70 kids where you go in a home. In another home na 70 years in a gem making a bar. Can you feel another 70 years to Nigeria gem? Okazi man really men who here now. 60 years, okazi man really men who here because if I fall in 60, it will 70 for 10 years. Can you 10 years we achieve in Nigeria? You 10 years we mobile. Can you 10 years for no wage they making? So you look at this age. I be one my comment section. See, in this choka my comment section, but late 30s, late 40s, and late 50. 30, 40, 50. 30, your day is still bright. 30 years, maybe I will be about 20 something or 25 or 22 or whatever. But in a kakuyale, you know 30 years. Each of you 40, jikwa. If you send each other in and you go ticket, you know 40, send each other in and 45, 46, 40, if one to 50, each other in and oka the quality yearly. Be 60 and 70. Acho koma okay acho. Inwa the age ya delum comment eba nene profile obuni the 60 years. Me video eba wole posia yi. Ifu ni ya na akpa mmadu yesi na camera. Totonya n'isi okwa bombu a to yi n'isi si from camera otunsisi otorogba pia ya osi na camera we fero so bia gba pia ya nya na eziokwu na ala na lapoi ili na si ani nwanyi obodo bia ba ki konwezi ye na alu olu na alu gi eyi fe niile kuchagoro engine kuchago ya machine a stop go olu ibia ba si na ichore na Nigeria thunder fire you there.